Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a family recipe that you can make for only $6.25. So it's part of the mini series that I'm making of family recipes that you can make for around $6.50. This recipe is gonna be with ingredients from Dollar Tree only. It's gonna be a one pot recipe or a one pan recipe that you can make very easily, and it doesn't need any prep work or anything at all, and it's gonna take you less than 20 minutes to make. So here are the ingredients. I have here 2 cans of chili. These are with chicken and with beans. They also have the one with beef and beans. I just couldn't find it in my Dollar Tree. I have a can of diced tomatoes. I have, this is 20 ounces. I'm only going to use 16 ounces of the elbow pasta. And I also have Velveeta cheese sauce, the one package, which is 4 ounces. So these are the ingredients from the Dollar Tree for $6.25. Now for seasonings, I'm using salt, pepper, cumin, and chili powder. So pretty basic seasoning. And for this recipe, I'm not even using any oil or anything. So I'm gonna open all the cans and then we'll come back and start cooking. So to my pot, I'm gonna add the 2 cans of chili. And I'm gonna also put in the 1 can of diced tomatoes with the juices. I'm also adding 2.5 cups of water. Sorry, 2.5 cups of water. You can also use beef broth or chicken broth if you have, or you can also add some bouillon to it. I'm gonna turn on the heat. I'm gonna add the seasonings, so salt, pepper, a little bit of cumin, and you can always adjust the seasoning too after it comes to a boil, and some chili powder. Mix it all together and just wait for it to come to a boil, basically. So now that it's boiling, I am going to add the pasta. I'm using 2 cups, so 16 ounces. And I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna cover the pot and bring the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. I am gonna give it a stir or mix it every few minutes just so the pasta gets cooked evenly. So just like I said, every few minutes you have to mix it. So mix it a little bit. It's been about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid back in and let it cook, and then I'm gonna stir it a few times more. So it's been 15 minutes. So let's see. The pasta is definitely done. So what we're gonna do now is add the Velveeta cheese. And the options for the cheese was very little in my Dollar Tree. Sometimes I can find more options, but this time it was only like a couple of different cheeses. One of them was like American cheese, like sliced American cheese. And then the other one was this one. So I went with this. So I'm just mixing it up until the cheese melts and everything is incorporated together. So now that the cheese has melted and everything is incorporated together, I'm gonna turn it off. It's done. It's basically done. This is it. It seems like there's a little too much liquid in it, but the pasta is just gonna suck it all up. So don't worry about that. It just needs to set. So I'm gonna plate it up now. By the way, this plate is from the Dollar Tree too. I got it last year, and it's like a fall theme with pumpkins on it. It looks really good. So let's give it a taste. Okay, so here it is. Very good. This is very flavorful and filling and tasty. I would definitely make this again. And don't forget, it has beans, it has meat, so it does have a good amount of protein in it for very, very little money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.